Hey guys, welcome to part 4, which is the last part of our first series in this channel. Today, Ev and I will be going over how to graph slope-intercept form and point-slope form.
Over the years, Kev and I have noticed kids miss a lot of points on a test because they forget how to graph standard form. And that's the easy part. How easy, you ask? Let's find out.
Let's graph a slope-intercept form equation. So let's look at this equation here. Alright, that joker right there, right next to the x, that's going to be your slope. And that other loner number all by itself, that's going to be your y-intercept. Y'all remember from the previous video, the y-axis is the line that goes right up and down, so we just take the y-intercept before and plop it right there on the y-intercept. Then, looking at the slope, we're going to move right 4 and up 3 from the y-intercept to get our second dot. Then we just draw a line that connects those two dots, and we're done. Let's try one more. Let's take a look at this equation. I bet you've already figured out that the y-intercept is 5 and the slope is negative 2/3. So we'll plot 5 on the y-intercept, and this time we're going to move right 3 and down 2 to get our next dot and draw a straight line through it. Guys, it's literally that easy. Even a clown can do this, and you, dear viewer, are no clown. The only clown here is Walter and his weird obsession with getting an Apple Watch. Why does a whale even need an Apple Watch, you ask? I don't know. That's a problem with the younger generation. They're all soft and they need instant gratification and they're all precious little snow.
Okay, that was all very interesting, Boomer. Why don't you go man the camera before we get demonetized? Sorry, Walt. If you thought graphing slope-intercept form was easy, get a load of standard form. So, all you need to do is figure out the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Keep an eye on the y-intercept. That fool keeps popping up all the time in algebra. To find the x-intercept, cross out the term with y and then solve. In this example, we divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 4. We then draw a dot on 4 along the x-axis. Next, we cross out the 3x and solve 4y is equal to 12 and get the y-intercept. We divide both sides by 4 to get y is equal to 3 and draw a 3 on the vertical line. Lastly, just draw a line between those 2 points and then we're done with it. Let's try one more example. Cross out 6y. 12x is equal to 24, and that gives us x is equal to 2. Now, cross out the 12x. 6y is equal to 24, and that gives us y is equal to 4. Draw a line between those 2 points, and you're done. Guys, it's literally this easy. Now go practice a few problems, and then go ace that test.
You're still here? Sweet. Thanks for listening to Ev and me rant about
math and snowflakes and Gen Z and...
We will be back soon with more tutorials, friends. And remember to keep mathing, and most importantly, don't be a clown.